In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop automatic deletion of your messages or data from Slack. So if your Slack normally deletes messages and data after a certain period of time, then you can go ahead and stop this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Slack Workspace. And once you are here, head over to your workspace name up here. Then click on this drop down arrow. Now from this, look for this option called Tools and Settings, and then scroll down until you get to Workspace Settings and then click on it. Now this will go ahead and open a new tab, and then under this, head over to Administration. Click on Settings and Permissions, and then scroll down until you see Data Retention. Here you are told choose to automatically delete data from your workspace after a set amount of time. So if I click on expand, you can see I've set my public channels data to be deleted after 90 days, and this is why all my channels data are usually deleted after 90 days. However, private channel messages and direct messages are set to never delete messages. Now to change this, you also need to go ahead and click on this drop down arrow and then click on never delete messages and choose whether you don't want it to save edits or you want to save edits. So I'll click on don't save edits. You can choose according to your preference and then go ahead and click on save. So you have to go ahead and confirm by checking on this box and then click on save, and these changes will be now captured. Now at this point, your messages will never be deleted automatically in Slack Workspace. So that's how you can stop automatic deletion of messages in your Slack Workspace. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.